Honda just brought back one of its most iconic motorcycles. But here's the twist. It might completely change how manual bikes are ridden. At the Osaka Motorcycle Show 2026, Honda officially unveiled Honda CB400 Super 4 E-Clutch concept, a legendary name, reborn for 2026. But this isn't just a comeback. This is a transformation. The CB400 used to be the perfect middleweight naked bike. Inline-4 engine, smooth power, timeless design. But production ended back in 2022. Now, Honda is bringing it back with a completely new purpose. While full specs are still under wraps, we already know this. It's still a 4-cylinder engine, likely around 399 cubic centimeters, based on the newer 500 cubic centimeters platform. That means backhand index pointing right, high revving character. Backhand index pointing right, smooth delivery. Backhand index pointing right, classic inline-4 sound. But the real game changer, backhand index pointing right E-clutch system. A manual bike that doesn't need a clutch lever. This isn't just nostalgia. The new CB400 is expected to use updated modern chassis, more compact platform, better weight balance, built not just for Japan, but potentially for global competition. From early info, we're looking at upside-down front forks, improved rear suspension setup, backhand index pointing right translation, more stability, more control, more modern feel. Australian motorcycle news. Braking is also stepping up. Radial-mounted front calipers, Nissan. Performance-oriented setup. Backhand index pointing right, this isn't entry-level anymore. Backhand index pointing right, this is serious mid-class performance. Australian motorcycle news. Honda showcased 4 color options. White, new plus clean identity. Matte black, stealthy aggressive. Fire red, premium, mature look. Classic Spencer livery, pure heritage. Each one hits a different type of rider. But let's be honest, color is not why people are excited. Here's the catch. No official price. No confirmed release date. Full specs still hidden. Backhand index pointing right, this is still a concept. But the hype? Already massive. Now the real question. Will this bike go global? Historically, the CB400 was mostly Japan, some parts of Asia, limited markets like Australia. But this time, Honda has filed trademarks globally. Backhand index pointing right, which strongly hints at international release. Australian motorcycle news. Still, for Europe and the US, it depends on emission regulations, market demand for 400 cubic centimeters bikes, pricing strategy. So here we are, a legendary motorcycle, reborn with modern tech, and a controversial twist. The question is this the future of manual riding, or the beginning of the end?